How do I use the reverse camera on my MacBook Air for video calls?
Welcome to our step-by-step guide on using the reverse camera on your MacBook Air for video calls. Video calls have become a vital part of our daily lives, be it for personal interactions or professional meetings. This guide will make sure you're able to utilize your MacBook's reverse camera, thereby enriching your video calling experience.
Do MacBook Air laptops have a reverse camera?
First, it's important to clarify that MacBook Air laptops do not have a built-in reverse camera. Unlike smartphones or tablets, MacBooks only come with a single front-facing camera that is ideal for video calls. This camera is located at the top center of your screen and it's known as the FaceTime HD camera.
How can I enable the camera for video calls?
Enabling your MacBook Air's camera for video calls is a straightforward process. When you're about to start a video call on any platform like Zoom, Skype, FaceTime, or Microsoft Teams, the software will usually ask for permission to use your camera. Here are the general steps. 1. Open your video call application. 2. Start a new call or join an existing one. 3. When prompted, click on Allow to give the application permission to use your camera. Remember, if you previously denied the permission, you may have to manually allow it from the system preferences.
How can I use a reverse camera then?
While MacBook Air doesn't have a built-in reverse camera, you can use an external camera as a reverse camera. You can purchase a webcam and connect it to your MacBook Air via a USB port. Once connected, you can select this camera as your video source in your video calling software.
How can I select an external camera for my video calls?
Once you've connected your external camera to your MacBook Air, follow these steps. 1. Open your video call application. 2. Go to the application settings or preferences. 3. Find the Video Settings tab. 4. From the Camera drop-down, select your external camera. Make sure your external camera is set up and aimed at the area you want to capture before you start your video call. So, there you have it. Although MacBook Airs don't come with a built-in reverse camera, we've discussed how you can use an external one for your video calls. This way, you can have more flexibility during your video interactions. We hope you found this guide useful, and wish you a great experience with your video calls on MacBook Air.